What is good, YouTube? I'm back today. I will be buying a pair of Yeezys, no box, and a pair of Gatorade ones, OG all VNDS supposedly. But yeah, we're about to pull up. We in his neighborhood, or his or her neighbor. I don't know if I'll see your boys when I get there. Damn. He literally just asked me to come to the gate. Alright, there he is. Damn, this nigga got dreads. We just making eye contact type. Probably scared to make me come through the gate or some shit. What's good, bro? A lot of. As soon as I pulled up, I didn't even look at the shoes, bro. Like, I was just looking at this nigga pants, fam. Like, look how big this nigga pants was, fam. Like, his pants in the water for real. Like, yo, this man pants big as hell. I don't know what he had going on, fam. Like, he had to rush outside. Oh, shit, he's outside. Let me run to the gate. But, like, bro, your pants big as hell, fam. Like, what you got going on? You said you got nothing else?
Yeah, nothing else. Like, my friend gave them to me because he lost everything.
Yeah. And where'd you get these?
Got them from my friend. He was like a couple blocks away.
As soon as I saw the laces, I knew these were fake. Like, this man gonna sit there with them big ass pants and tell me these are real over message, bro. Once again, y'all resellers are selling fakes. Gotta stop wasting people's time. But let's get back to the vid. Quick pay promotion at NGU_kicks. They buy, sell, and trade located in New Mexico, but they do ship and post new shoes every week. Make sure you hit them up for deals and steals on shoes. NGU_kicks. And remember to hit the available highlight to see what's in stock on their page. You don't know where he got them from, though?
He said he got them from StockX, but he could be lying. They look real. The insoles, like the bottom, feel real. And also all the other shoes, like they have the StockX tags, like offer, like all of them are real. All the other shoes, so I would think these too.
I don't know, fam. But let me look at those. Damn. But where'd you get these from? SoFlo?
Yeah, you seen me in the bottom?
Yeah. Damn. I need, oh shit. Yo, I think I gotta move my whip, bro. Yo, I think I gotta move my whip. Oh shit. Boy, this the most difficult shit. Those Yeezys fake as hell, but the Gatorade one's real, fam. Yeah, but you said how much for both of them?
For both, we agreed on 190. It's 45-minute drive.
So. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I thought the Gatorade ones were in way better condition, bro. Let me look at how much they going for. Alright, let's check market for these. Size 9.5. Brand new is $297 used. Lowest on go is $90 with no box. Lowest with box is $100. In the same condition as this pair. And let's see what the offer is. No offer, so fam. If I buy these out the bottom for the low, I'm talking like $40, $50, $60 tops. Yeah, I thought they were in way better condition. What's the lowest you would go with?
Usual price.
I don't know, fam. You sure these real, fam?
I mean, I don't see why they would.
But what's the low? Like, give me a price.
I actually said these for like 30, but I don't really give a fuck about. You do 150.
What would you do without these, man? Cause What would you do without these, fam?
I can sell you this for 15, and that's like the good problem. I ain't selling them for anything more than that, cause I mean,
like the only way for me to buy these, bro, I'll probably have to put them through an app and like see if they real.
d.s.d.I.d for like 120.
Gum on the bottom and shit.
I could do.
This man really had the audacity to try and squeeze a Magic school bus through that tiny ass space, fam. Like, come on, dog. This man was really about to make me a check. I was really about to buy these fakes if I made that check, fam. I might have threw that nigga $100 each if that nigga hit my car, fam. I gotta go all the way back around, fam. This gonna be the longest video I've ever done, fam. This nigga running around in these big ass jeans. I know that nigga hard as hell. Oh shit. This is like my 4th time moving, fam.
I said 120. I could do 120 for both of them.
Bro, I could put it through the app, but that shit gonna take like 15 minutes. It's gonna take like 10 minutes. Unless you wanna wait.
I kind of lease over too.
I checked market, they going for like $70, fam.
I can sell it for like 200.
You said 200?
Yeah, cause all these private school kids, they be buying shit for
Do 50, fam.
50 people?
Yeah.
Shit. I don't know about that. I bought these for 300. So fly 300. This is a while ago though.
God damn, boy, they tax your ass.
80 is the lowest I can go. That's like really pushing it.
Do it 60, fam, 60. 60 cash in your pocket, fam. Black Lives Matter, bro. Black Lives Matter. Yo, you rap?
Nah.
Shit. You gotta look like that nigga Lil Skies. No cut.
Looks like you go 80 for these though.
Bruh. Do 80, 60 coin flip. 80, 60 coin flip, bro.
So you do YouTube?
Something like that.
I can go 80 lows for these, but I ain't doing no cover.
Come on, G. Oh shit. That's a L. You resell like shoes?
Sometimes, but not like that.
Let me call my boy up real quick. Well, I swear I got the weirdest meetups, fam. Weirdest. I'm talking about I'll do 15 for the Yeezys. Bitch, the Yeezys fake. Nigga look like Lil Skies without the skies. Lil, look that way. Oh shit, and I dropped my phone. Now look at these Yeezys, bro. Tell me if they look straight.
Hell to the no.
Hell no.
You can tell right away, boy.
You don't got nothing else?
I do, but not like, I don't really sell like that, so I have to like see what I want to sell.
Yeah, type shit. Shit, damn, bro. Shit. You say you got them from your dog?
These I got from my dog, these I bought.
Yeah, shit. Alright then, bro.
You don't want to run the 60 for them?
Nah. Come on this face. You said You said what?
I said you his plug for the pants.
This is not a paid promotion. Make sure you go follow pp_raffles, Pling Plow Raffles. I own that account with my friend. We will be doing raffles after this next event. We will be posting up some shoes. Go ahead and follow that account. Yes, sir. Make sure you go to the sneaker swap this Sunday, December 12th, presented by Top Tier MIA. I'll leave the link in the description to buy a ticket or to buy a table. Make sure you pull up over there. There will be deals and steals at that sneaker event. Yes, sir. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and follow your boy Trash Lighter and Lano_Resources on my band at d.s.d.I.d. Also me on TikTok at d.s.d.I.d. Sheesh, that man did try and finesse me with those fake Yeezys and also with those real ones, but I was not going for it. Hell no, them big ass jeans. But remember, this is the last thing. Remember, to watch those ads. Watch those ads, yes sir.